Part 3. Bollywood. Keywords. An industry.
En industri.
A version.
En versjon. En utgave.
Instead.
I stedet for.
Lots of.
Masser av.
To tell.
Å fortelle eller å si.
It is 8:30 in the morning and Olav is late.
Sita, tell us about Bollywood. Yes, what is Bollywood? It's the Indian version of Hollywood. It's the biggest film industry in the world. Every year, the film industry in Bollywood makes more than 1,000 films. Bollywood films have lots of songs and dances, and the costumes are very colourful. Bollywood films are very popular.
Where's Olav? I'll go and check if he's in his office.
No, let's watch a film and dance instead.
No, thanks. That's not my kind of thing. Do you want me to go with you? No, that's fine. I'll go by myself. You like to dance, so you do that.
Let's talk. Answer the questions. What is Bollywood?
Hva Bollywood?
How many films does the film industry in Bollywood make each year?
Hvor mange film lager filmindustrien i Bollywood hvert år?
Do you watch Bollywood films?
Ser du på Bollywood-film?
What kind of films do you like?
Hva slags film liker du?
Do you have a favorite actor or actress? Talk about him or her.
Har du en favoritt skuespiller eller skuespillerinne? Snakk om ham eller henne.